As soon as the spring came, the onion greens sprouted up. As you can see here, they're getting all thick and green. And still, they still got the little brown ends, but every day you can see they're getting longer and thicker. I didn't add any fertilizer or anything to it, just the soil. So I planted these onion bulbs last year around October, and as you can see, they're thriving. So I have three of the white onions and three of the red onions here. So guys, yeah, I'm really happy. I'm thinking about adding some compost to them, and keep them happy.